Hey guys, how are you doing today? So today we're gonna I'm just gonna show you. I just wanted to like remember it and stuff. A Xiaomi gimbal case. A gimbal. It's just a box. Comes right here. That's how it comes. And right here. Okay. And here if you want to see some details. Okay. Now let's open it and let's see what we got. Let me get a scissor. Alright, now here. This is it. The box is not that heavy, but you can feel it's a bit weighty, I guess. A bit has some weight to it. This is the booklet manual. You can you hook it up to your phone like this, and then let's see what's inside. That's the cover, and then it's kind of like this. So this is how it is. It's a bit, actually the weight is okay. It's not bad. Then you have these buttons right here. And I guess, if you want to set up for a tripod or something, you can actually put it here. I think I have yeah. So see, I guess here you can even, you can actually. So you can actually set it up so it can stay. And it comes with a adapter. There's no that. It comes with a cable. I guess that's to charge it. Huh? Okay. All right. So that's the only thing in the box. So thank you.